So here we are in the electronics laboratory at the Max-Planck-Institut for Physics. In this laboratory, we investigate how we can develop electronics to be used to gather the information necessary to find out what's going on inside physics experiments.
What if we have instruments that are sensitive to dark matter particles, or to the particles that they interact with, such as photons? Well, this is exactly what we're doing in the electronics laboratory here at the Max-Planck-Institut for Physics. We're designing instruments which are sensitive to particles such as photons. The dark matter particle may interact with the electromagnetic field and produce photons in our laboratory. And if these devices are sensitive to the photons, then we can detect the presence of dark matter. We have constructed a detector called MADMAX. Right now I'm in one of the experimental laboratories at our institute, where we have behind me our electronics for measuring what would be the axion particle. So the axion is a hypothetical particle that we believe constitutes the bulk of the dark matter in the universe, and we've constructed our apparatus here to try to measure it. You will hear a lot more about this experiment and others during the Open Day event. Please join us.